Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset SteelSeries Level 3 mouse, wireless or wired. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you need to factory reset your SteelSeries Level 3 mouse, whether it's wired or wireless, there's a few things that you could do here. So first is you want to unplug the mouse if it's wired or turn it off if it's wireless. Then from then on, you want to press and hold the left click and the CPI button, the sensitivity button, all at the same time or all at once. So the CPI button is going to be at the center here, just underneath the wheel. Now, from then on, while holding those buttons, plug the mouse back in if it's wired and turn on if it's wireless. Now, keep holding the buttons for about 5 seconds until you see the LEDs start blinking. That means the reset is happening. Now once the LEDs blink, you can release the buttons and the mouse will be restored to its factory settings. And that should be it. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.